Strings is nothing but collection of characters. You can say words, names, etc. So this is all about the strings. So let us take a small code to clear this. So what we said that it is a collection of characters. So I am taking a few characters like A, B, C and D, or you can take E also. Say I am declaring this many number of variables of char data type. So here printf I am advising user like enter your name. See, I have taken few characters only, not that many characters, just for to sake of understand. So I am scanning that the entered characters value into this characters like percentage %C. See, I have scanning the values to these characters from the user like this. Now I want to print your name is like this. Again I am using this same thing. See, this is all about a simple program. So now if I run the program, see, it is asking enter your name, like I am giving Balu. See, now you can see your name is Balu. See how it is going to take. The Balu is scanning at the variable of A, and A is scanning to the variable of B, and L is scanning to the variable of C. Similarly U to D. So each one character is going to scanning into the single of character variables. So this is a simple example. I want to clear the how the string is going to store in the variable. So string is nothing but collection of variable. So simply now you can take arrays also is a best thing to declare the strings. Now here I am taking the size of string like something 20. You can take any of the size of maximum size. People are take like they initialize the string with maximum size here. This is a must thing you need to initialize here. So now to scan string we have a simple format specifier like %s. So using this you can scan the total string into this. Now here you need to give simply a. Now the simply a means the it is indication of the starting address of the character. A contains the starting address of memory location. So from starting to up to where the 20 you can scan the characters of the string. So now again I want to print the like your string is percentage s and a I am giving like this. So what I will enter the string I want to print like this. So it is an indication of that the string of starting memory location. So all are copying into this percentages when I give like this. So now if I run the program, you can see there is no any error in this. It is successfully executing. Like here again I am giving Balu. So now if I press the enter, you can see your string is Balu. This is all about the string, but I want to clear you one thing like null character. So at index of the A0, B is going to store at the 1st index A, and at the 2nd index L, and at 3rd index U, but after that it is off with the free space. This is going to store in the 4th index. So this is the